So be ready. Probably about 70-mile-an-hour winds. I mean, we got trees across the driveway. Here, come talk to Mama. Come on.
This is crazy, Coco. Whoa! I think I got
it was a quick 15-minute. Knocked it, tore everything up on it. There you go.
Whoa!
Look at my squash plants. Look at my squash plants. Done. Look at my squash plants.
That's a lightning bolt. That's what I'm talking about. Storm Jason, buddy.
Snap that tree down.
Yep.
Dang.
Okay.
It's not even mine.
It's his tree. You don't sit out here with me and fall cool out here. Little fool. Yeah, I think the driveway is blocked off until you cut that with a chainsaw. Gotta get a blade on it.
I got a blade on.
But I'm not even scared of storm, but
They was taking your basketball court down the road.
that basketball. Did you just see that lightning bolt? Here it is.